was the first-class private in the Army last year. Now he's back to business in his father's place. Sunday night I saw him with a smiling face. When I asked him why he felt so happy, Johnny chuckled with glee. He winked his eye and made this reply, something wonderful has happened to me. I've got the guy who used to be my captain working for me. He wanted work, so I made him a clerk in my father's factory. And by, I'm going to have him wrapped in work up to his brow. I make him open the office every morning at 8. Then I come around about 4 hours late. Everything comes to those who wait. I've got my captain working for me now. He's not worth what I have to pay him, but I'll never complain. I've agreed to give him $50 per. It's worth twice as much to hear him call me sir. While I sit in my cozy little office, he's outside working hard. Out in the hall, at my beck and call, with a feather duster standing on guard. I've got the guy who used to be my captain working for me. He wanted work, so I made him a clerk in my father's factory. And by, I'm going to have him wrapped in work up to his brow. When I come into the office, he gets up on his feet, stands at attention and gives me his seat. Who was it said? Revenge is sweet. I've got my captain working for me now.
when my baby smiles at me. My thoughts go roaming, roaming to paradise, yeah. And when my baby, gee, when my little baby smiles at me, boys, oh, what a wonderful light that comes to her eyes. Listen, buddy, give him the smile that just brings love. Give it on. Oh, cut it out, will you? That's it. That's the smile that brings real harmony. I sigh and I cry. No, it's just a bit of heaven, heaven when my baby smiles at me. Play on, boys, when my baby smiles at me. Oh, gee. Oh, stop it, I say. And when my baby smiles at me, oh, I can't stand it now, honey. Cut it out, will you? Come on, give him the smile that just brings love. Give it on. Gee, that's it. That's the smile that brings real harmony. I sigh and I cry. No, it's just a bit of heaven, heaven when my baby smiles at me. Play it, boys, play. Yes, sir, I'll tell you, yeah, when my baby smiles at me.